Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a building we're washing. We're using water-fed system to clean this for the majority of it. We have some in front that you ladder up and there's balconies, and you just put one ladder up and you can wash a bunch of windows up on a balcony. And we use traditional there. It's not worth bringing the water-fed system or the poles up for that. Just wanted to kind of show you what just one of our sites looks like, and kind of why we use the processes we do. So right here, 3 stories in the back. This building's in the shape of an H. You kind of have a connecting link back here, and then it opens up and it goes wider all the way back there, and then that's 2 stories. So what we first do is we have an extension hose that we already placed up here, that once our 300-foot hose off of our machine runs out, we'll connect it directly into there. So here is our main hose that we stretched out. What we also did was we placed a 24-foot ladder to get up on the top here. So we pre-placed all these things because we know what to expect. Here's our water-fed system. It's my old RHD 5-stage system, but you don't get it anymore. We love this. This is probably our favorite system because it has the hose reel attached. It has a battery for the pump. You don't need to connect it to a water supply. You don't need gas. We're kind of flushing the system real quick here before we get going. And so what I'll do with this system is I will close this down so we don't have as much coming out. And then I will turn the pump on. That sucker is ready to go. Get my water ready. And I think we're gonna be good to go. So we pre-ran from our system, our hose out. We have a trip hazard cone in front of the entryway. The building probably has about 2 workers at it today. This is a building that's still kind of shut down due to COVID. We still put a caution cone at the entryway because there's somebody here, I guess. What we do? No, we don't need to test it. I already tested it. So we're gonna run 2 poles. We're gonna take 1 pole. We have a splitter here running 2 poles. So one guy will go on the 3rd floor. Second guy will trail behind on the 2nd floor. We'll go as far as we can. On the way back, we'll hit all the walk-ups using water fed. And then we will come back this way and start from here. So we had everything loaded into our trailer here. So it makes it, we just wheel the cart out to site, to the water source, hook it up, and go. That was just a look at today's job and the process, kind of the setup process we use. I find it beneficial because we know how far our water-fed hose will get us in one direction, to know where to place the extension, to put the ladder up on the entryway, just to go ahead and get started right away efficiently. You don't have a couple of guys running around trying to figure out where should I go, what should I do. We don't have to direct people. We've done this job many a times, and we know each person has their job. Makes things run a little efficiently. Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com.